Hi, everyone. Welcome to English Learners Here. This is the go-to channel of anyone who wants to learn the English language. I'm Marisa Balidoy, your host. Today's lesson is about the word equipment. How many of you have heard people saying equipment with an S at the end? Well, I've heard it being said several times, thus I decided to produce this video for you. Cambridge Dictionary defines equipment as the set of things that you need for a particular purpose. The word equipment is considered as an uncountable noun. So in this example, you don't say, the hospital lacks the necessary medical equipment to treat COVID patients. You say, the hospital lacks the necessary medical equipment to treat COVID patients. Another example is, the frontliners need high-quality personal protective equipment. You don't say, the frontliners need high-quality personal protective equipments. And if you're referring to a single item, you say a piece of equipment, like in this example. The university was able to buy a piece of equipment for the laboratory. So bear in mind that if it's a single item, you use the word piece. So you say piece of equipment. And when you're referring to many items, you say equipment, never equipments. Did you get it? Hope that is clear. Hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. See you in my next video.